Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys where you can find the turkeys from day 1 to day 4 in the Brookhaven Turkey Hunt. The first one is you're going to go to this salon here, go to the back door, and you're going to climb up these stairs, and you're going to jump on this like roof, and you're going to see that there's the turkey there. For the second one, you will not go in that car. You will need to go to the play area, jump on this red ledge, and then on this blue one, then on the green one, and then on this roof. Okay, maybe do it better than me because I clearly suck. You need to be a little bit closer. Oh my, okay. Just give me one more chance. Jump like kind of here, so okay, jump and run. And then you're just going to jump on this like sign and the turkey will be there. Day 3 is in the bank, which is here at the bank. And you're just going to grab this key card and you're going to insert the key card here and you'll find the third turkey. Whoops. The fourth turkey is actually in the Wicked for Good area, so you're just going to walk there. It's probably better if I use like a skateboard, but I'm too lazy. You're just going to follow where I go. Go here. And you'll be able to find it here. So walk behind these pillars and go left. And you're going to click on this door. And as you can see, this is the fourth turkey. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.